Good morning, guys. So it is now 9:33 a.m. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm sweating because I came to my family house from last night around 8 o'clock. I haven't stopped working until around 5. And then I got a nap and wake up back, wiping out the house, setting up the Christmas present. You want to see them? Here they are. So it's a lot of gifts here, waiting on the children to wake up, and later on we can open up the gifts. So far, so I'm going to show you what I got done so far, me and my mother and my aunt. Well, I'm going to just show you the living room, what it's looking like now. So as I said, it's my family home. Nothing major happened, just that we did some painting. They changed the curtains and they sewed some cushion covers for the sofa and all. And you saw my videos where I decorated the Christmas tree and the garland. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of my family living room. And yeah, so let me turn the camera now. Okay, so this is what the living room is looking like now. Sorry for the lighting and all, but I'm going to see if I can get a better picture of what the stuff look like. So here is a curtain. My mother made it, just a simple curtain. Normally she go overboard with it. And over here we have like a little entertainment center area. Nobody really uses the living room here. Nobody really sits in here because we have not a sitting area where the children sit and most people use their bedroom. So here again, and I will see if I can show you how it look like in the night. We have a fish tank here without fish. We should get it refilled and get back some fish in it. My uncle made these two shelves here, and they got some simple vase and certificate. Oh gosh. Okay, so over here now, these are all frames that were gifted. That dog there was my grandmother's dog in Turks and Caicos, and those are some picture frames that they received. I guess, my family is a bit old-fashioned some way, especially my grandmother. She wants things to set certain way and no changes, so we try to arrange them the best way possible. So here they are. And let me know if you have that experience as well with your family. Sometimes you want to change something and it just doesn't, you can't change it. So here are the gifts, and these are just some of them. Everybody else's gifts don't get put out yet. And this is what the Christmas tree looks like that I decorated. You guys can check the link down below to see how I decorated this Christmas tree. Also in the video I didn't show you this. These were some ribbon, I think some smaller ribbons, and we just use a thread and knife to do it, to get that curl. Christmas tree is not what I left it, over the days the children, they play and stuff, so it's not going to stay the same way. This is what the garland looks like. This is what the garland look like that I decorated, and I'm going to show you night vision. And here's another area here that they keep stuff. So as you can see, this is the living room, and also I'm going to show you these cushion covers. My mother made them, and this was a sofa that I had that I gave them because it was too big for my space. So so these cushion covers they made as well. See there. So you can use a plain side as well. So this is the dining area. My mother made this curtain. The lighting is not so good because the sunlight. She made that curtain, and this was actually a curtain as well that we turned into a tablecloth. She just stitched the edges. Let me know what you think. I know the lighting, you might not see the curtain very well, but she made that as well. Here we have a break front. Let me know if you guys still use break front. My grandmother, she don't want to get rid of this. I think my uncle was the one that made this break front as well. And you head on into the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen is looking like now, and this is not the reality of our kitchen. Like, I don't know if it's our house alone, but every minute plate have to be washing. Like every turn you turn, I guess the children no wake up yet, so that's why it looks so clean now. But overall, by in the afternoon, the kitchen not going to look like this. You will see plate, and then them they'll wash up at the plate, and then somebody else come and put down a plate, and then you have to hear my mother mouth and so let me know if you experience this. This is the reality. So sometimes you see a kitchen clean on videos, and so it's just for a short time. Somebody have to be coming every minute to be washing out plate. So let me know if you have this experience as well in your family home, where you have to keep washing out plate, or every minute you come you see something dirty and then somebody else put something on it. Let me know what you think. Looks like here we have a lot more appliances, but we like to keep the countertop cleared and all. And these curtains as well, my mother made them. I'm not sure she made them or she bought them at Azan. No, I think these she bought at Azan, but she makes some similar one as well. So over here is the fridge area. The children love to put stuff on it. These are some stuff that my aunt brought when she traveled, like to Antigua and Turks. She bring different stuff and they keep it on the fridge on the Elmo. Nothing major with the fridge. And they have a TV up there that they just put up as well. So this is what the kitchen is looking like. Very simple. Very, very simple. Now we are heading into we call this like a little passage area. Here is when you enter through the front door, you turn left to the living room and you will have this entrance table here. This entrance table I made, you guys can check that video out in the description as well. So this is one of the vases. You might have saw it in my shopping haul video. This wall art I purchased on AliExpress, and my uncle made the frame as well. These are bottles I spray painted as well. And this was actually a tree I saw cut down, one of those looking, I don't know what the tree name is. I cut it down and then I let it dry and we spray painted it. This I took out of the children's room. I put this flower stand here and we painted it here in this color as well. And so this was cut off the whatnot I had. Here is a little sitting area that the children sit, as I mentioned, and that chair over there is a DIY chair. You guys can click the link in the description as well if you want to see that chair. Here is a little closet area that we store some stuff. A little junk closet. In here need to fix up and stuff. My mother comforters and some junk. I call this the junk room. Let me know what you think if you have a junk room. And then the TV is right here. So this is my mother's room. and she made this sheet. So all the square pieces you see, she sewed each squares together. They call it patchwork. And this was my first DIY headboard. I'm laughing at myself. Her room is very simple. She and my aunt made one of these sheets for themselves. This is what it looks like. And I don't know with her and this little mermaid thing like some child, but and she love green, so anything with green she will have. She have a little display here. When I was graduated from primary school, catch the face. Lad, queer face. And my brother as well. So this is what it looks like in here. She made those curtains as well. You guys would have seen my clean with me bathroom video. This is what the bathroom is looking like. Yes, and she made that curtain. I ended up changing tall flowers as in the video to this one. As I said, they love to keep things simple because the children, if they keep everything out here, the children going to just come and enjoy and finish them quickly. So I just put this here basically for picture purpose. And that is the Atmore water heater. I have one at my home as well. It's a very good water heater. You can connect it with wire to a plug and plug it in and use it, and it's very affordable as well. Yes, so this is what it looks like in the bathroom. They have a little closet area here as well that they store. Whoa, curtains, curtains, curtains. So when I feel like I need curtain, I can come in here and come shopping. Yes, so this is what it looks like, and then I will enter my grandmother's living room. This is my grandmother's room. She made this what should I say, crochet sheet. I think she made it from 1980 something. She said, she and my mother and my aunt. Yeah, she sewed different pieces of crochet, I think, or she sewed it in one, I'm not sure, but it's 1980 something, so it's older than me. And my mother sewed that curtain as well for her. They bought the fabric at El Piazar. We are now in the kids room. It's two girls that stay in here, 1 9 and 1 6. Nothing major going in here. These were some wallpaper I got and I put it on it. I might change them because I see them take time peeling off now. And also their favorite colors, one is yellow and one is purple, so the decoration is yellow and purple. The flooring here, I put it on. I got the vinyl. It's called vinyl flooring. I got it from Ping's. Yes, I got it from Ping's in Central Plaza. And this is what the room look like with the little decor and stuff. But because they love yellow and purple, I can't go too extra in here because the two of them are going to mess up in here. So I'm going to try my best to go as simple as possible and put the decor as high as possible. So I did get to video my aunt and my brother room. But for now, this is it. Thank you again for watching.